Hello everybody! If you want all the stories' content in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 885, The Chef's Special Dish. Upper Beginner. Marco is a chef in a busy restaurant in London. He loves his job very much. Every evening, he cooks delicious meals for many hungry people. Tonight is a very important night. A famous food critic will visit the restaurant. Marco wants to cook the perfect meal. He has a special recipe ready for this exact moment. The dining room is full of people. Guests talk and laugh happily. The critic sits at a table near the window. She looks at the menu carefully. She orders the soup and the fish. Marco hears the order from the kitchen. He takes a deep breath and starts cooking. He stands in the hot kitchen. His assistant, Elena, helps him prepare the ingredients. They chop fresh tomatoes, garlic and green herbs. Marco makes a warm soup. The wonderful smell fills the room. Elena smiles and says the soup looks fantastic. They work together as a strong team. Next, Marco prepares the main course. He chooses fresh fish from the local port. He seasons it with salt, pepper and lemon. He cooks it carefully on a hot grill. Suddenly the flames get a little too high. Marco acts quickly. He moves the fish to a cooler part of the grill to save it. He looks at the fish closely to make sure it does not burn. After the main course, Marco prepares a simple dessert. He slices fresh apples and adds a little honey. It is light and sweet. A waiter carries the plates to the dining room. Marco waits in the kitchen. He feels very nervous. His hands are shaking a little bit. Elena pats his shoulder and tells him to breathe. She knows he is a great chef. 10 minutes later, the head waiter returns with a big smile. He holds a piece of paper. The critic loved the meal. She wrote a wonderful review on the paper. She praised the warm soup and the perfectly cooked fish. Marco and Elena celebrate with a cup of hot tea. They are very proud of their hard work. The restaurant will be very popular tomorrow. Marco knows he will continue to cook great food for many years. He is happy and ready for the next busy evening. They finish their tea and start cleaning the kitchen. The future looks bright for their team. If you learned a new word today, please make sure to subscribe so you can practice again next time. Vocabulary notes. Critic. Meaning, a person whose job is to give their opinion about things like food, films or books. Example, a famous food critic will visit the restaurant. Similar words. Reviewer, judge, expert. Ingredients, meaning the different foods that you use to make a particular dish or meal. Example, his assistant, Elena, helps him prepare the ingredients. Similar words, items, parts, elements. Seasons, meaning to add salt, pepper, herbs or spices to food to improve its taste. Example, he seasons it with salt, pepper and lemon. Similar words, flavors, spices, enhances. Praised, meaning to say that you approve of or admire someone or something. Example, she praised the warm soup and the perfectly cooked fish. Similar words, complimented, admired, applauded. Popular, meaning liked, enjoyed or supported by many people. Example, the restaurant will be very popular tomorrow. Similar words, famous, well-liked, favorite. Story written by Quen. Image created by Quen. To read, listen to all the stories' content in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. CC Music, Drifting at 432 Hz, Unicorn Heads.